Okay, this one, right? We can show take this one.
Yeah, I think this one is good. Yeah, increase level in the leading to potential liquid carryover.
Is a level stripping leading to potential liquid carryover. This is the correct one, yeah. So 2, increase in level if operator doesn't act. So this is alarm, right? So this will trip.
This is alarm.
There will be and pressure level upset.
Do we have the
Leading to trip.
high to high?
High level alarm on high level, high level.
Yeah.
So operator has to investigate. Potential needs to investigate the causes of high level. High level.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And take action to prevent potential trip.
Yeah. I have one question here.
Yeah.
Is the hazard tackled the potential pump damage?
Yeah. Go back to the hazard. It is there. It's the number one. Maybe we can copy also again. 6 point. Then heading of pump leading to seal damage.
I agree with the consequence, but if the operator doesn't take action, ultimately it will trip. So operator has to take rightly action so that it doesn't trip.
It's mentioned that then heading of the pump and hazard.
Yeah. This is alarm. So for alarm, we are going to instruct operator to take timely action so that your system does not trip. Correct?
Now what Mr. Kano was saying,
if the liquid start to increase inside the vessel, inside the column, this means that we will start run the pump dry.
Yeah. So maybe, Chairman, go back to the hazard. We'll copy the first sentence of the first consequence. Then heading of the pump leading to just we'll add this one, right? Up to the seal damage leakage, damage, seal damage. Copy this and we'll put it in the consequence.
Because we identify as a severity 5.
Yes. So here, and to seal down and increase level. Yes. So now we cover everything.
So what is the response time you have in the process response time?
Yeah. Response time from high to high. It should be there.
Do we have penalty now?
I think Rahul has provided also in that list.